Hi there. Are you a business owner and employer confused about the state of the law regarding non-competes in the United States or in your state? If so, you're not alone. I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners, and I'm going to briefly summarize the state of the law and give you some ideas as to how you can comply with whatever law you're dealing with. So until very recently, until last spring, that is, the law relating to non-competes or the viability or legality of non-competes was really on a state basis. So, depending on what state your company is in, or even where your employees are, that could be the law that would govern whether a non-compete provision in an employment agreement or a separate non-compete agreement is legal or was legal. And each state was different, of course. And not only was each state different, but states have case law, which kind of interprets the common law relating to these types of clauses. And then some states also have their own statutes. Okay, so then let's add on to that. In April of 2024, the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, which is a United States agency, issued a rule essentially banning non-competes nationwide. However, in September of 2024, in July of 2024, a Texas federal court essentially struck down that law. So now we're back to the place where we were before that FTC rule was put into effect. So the state of the law for whatever state you're dealing with is going to carry the day. Now, I will say that beyond what we had existing back before the FTC rule, and now there are a lot of states that have enacted their own statutes or their own statutory bans on non-compete clauses. So what you need to do is make sure you check your state law and figure out whether there are statutes banning non-competes in your state, and then also what the state of the common law is. And the best way to do that is to speak to a lawyer. I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners. And one thing I'd like you to do is to download the white paper that I'm going to put a link to below, so that those of you in Maryland can get a much more detailed explanation of just what it takes to comply with the non-compete regulations in Maryland. Thank you.